It was me! Yes! I did it like this!
$36.1. That's weird. He says you're a cunt.
Your life is nothing. You serve zero purpose. You should kill yourself now.
Oh, I heard gas. Oh.
I am not.
I was taking a selfie in the glass when this happened.
Soaking up that sweet, sweet electrical juice.
Johnny, can you pass me a chocolate?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
Whoa, my God, it's so close to close. Oh no. Attention Walgreens customers. The time is 11:56 p.m. I no longer have the energy to be polite. Please get your shit and get out of the store. Thank you for shopping at Walgreens at the corner of fuck you and eat my ass.
It was going.
Yeah. What sound is it making now?
Hey, Septicon, are you wait?
Jump, dude. Oh, sorry. What? Gosh.
I hate that. He knew we were crossing the road, but he had to save that 10 seconds. Because he's got such an important job as a full-time cunt. I always wish I had a brick to put through the fucking window.
That'd be the last piece of the jigsaw, wouldn't it?
Don't overwater it. Cunt.
So anyways, I've been working on toe side.
Pulling out of my backpack. So I wanted one of these for Christmas. And I did not get one, so I got one. It's a little sip.
Hammers can be tricky to use. Nails are pretty small and they're hard to see. They're small targets. To get around this, get yourself a cordless nail rifle. Make sure you have the correct nails in the magazine, then turn it on. Now, when you pull this trigger here, a light will shine on where you're working and you can see the nail a lot easier and hit it in every time.
I'm outside, taking my dog for a walk. I gave him a little Red Bull. And man, now he's acting weird. Look at this.
Oh my God. Bro, I'm actually so smart. I can use a levitation to get across. What? Alright, there we go. Let's go.
Yo, 10 hours on calculator. What the fuck is he trying to solve, bruh? No, ain't no
no sense, bro, because I ain't never spent that long on the calculator, bro.
I really